Today we're going wiggle waggle. My chauffeur. This is the first episode of Cancelled Car Conversations. Okay, so I have a pretty cute. Oh my god! Hey. Oh my god, no! I'm like reno updates. I'm in a predicament. I really genuinely don't know how to feel about this. I literally debriefed this whole thing with Nana, but I'm just documenting this case. So essentially, like, this person messages me and says that they are willing to help me do the electrical stuff. Okay, like I still have to pay, but maybe like at a slight discount or whatever. Then after that, right, this person now takes on the plastering works in my house, and I didn't even know that this person was going to do it. And then like suddenly I'm getting billed $6,000 for plaster works, and like I just got a shock of my life literally this afternoon. Like, I'm not joking, it was like 5 minutes before I come.
You must tell them how you repeatedly, not just you, but you and your husband repeatedly asked for a quotation on the plastering work, but man just decided to do the job first.
Yeah, so like I remember Jeremy asking for a quotation for the longest time, and then like I also asked for a quotation, like essentially begged this person for a quotation, or like on ChatGPT. I kept on telling ChatGPT, can you please help me phrase it like I want to know the quotation, because like honestly, right, do I have a budget for my house reno? Yeah, like I understand that, like, do I have the capacity to splurge for a house reno? Yes, but right now I'm really not intending to allocate so much funds into my reno for my house. Like, I'm okay with compromising with things so that even if it doesn't look as nice, because like honestly, right, is there more important things that I want to put my money at right now in life? Yes, there is. And like, if I put my money in there already, right, I can't just take out my money, if y'all get the gist. Does it sound illegal? It's not illegal though, it's just investing. But yeah, so it's like I'm so confused, because like if I did not have the cash, right, like you're slapping me with a $6,000 bill. Like, where am I supposed to get this money?
No, but who does a job without confirming a price?
Yeah,
Like, why will you go do a job when a price hasn't even been set?
like no
or agreed
quotation,
upon?
no nothing. And that's why I'm so stressed, because I'm like, it's like I don't even, you know, like, okay, for example, if I were to sign a package with whoever, right, at least I know that I'm paying this amount, because like they gave me quotation. This is like, do finish already, right, then surprise, is this amount. Like
Blind ball!
yeah, it's like a pop mart for like house reno, and it's not the pop mart, it's not the house reno. Look like what? No, it's how much I must pay. I'm very stressed out now. I literally had a mental breakdown right before
I would have a mental breakdown.
Yeah, cause like,
But I would have a mental breakdown and also feel like, what the fuck do you mean you do the job and then you surprise me with a $6,000 bill?
I mean, like, it doesn't. It literally sounds. It doesn't.
Illegal? It sounds illegal.
Is this illegal?
This is a scam. What the hell? What the helly? Imagine going to a restaurant and you not knowing the price, then they're like,
No, it's
10K.
like, you know, your analogy is like I work, right? I go and get employed for 1 month. They don't tell me my salary. Then I finish 1 month of job already, right? Then they're like, oh, by the way, you're only gonna be paid
yeah,
$5.
a salary blind box.
I don't know.
Reno edition.
I honestly feel like I'm just so stressed out. I just, like, you know what? I should have not been greedy and just taken the house as it is, lah. Okay, I regret even thinking of making my house aesthetic now. I honestly don't feel happy about my house. I just, like, my house just brings me sadness and irritation as of late and as of now. And that sucks, because this house is supposed to be a house I stay in for 5 years minimally.
The annoying thing is that, like, it's like you could have gotten your house done. Like, you could be living there now. Fully, but somehow you're not.
And
Somehow you're still like paying rent.
Yeah, I'm like literally sinking $4,000 a month in rent,
month.
by the way. That's how expensive my rent is. But on a side note, on a happier note, we're going to go and see the Wiggle Waggle pop-up. Yeah, that's why I wore colorful. So cute, look at this. Got the rabbit, got, wow. And then got the flower all, and then got the bear. This is the bear that I keep on seeing when I drive past. I was like, hold up. Oh my god, my lipstick not blended. What do you mean? There's a Wiggle Waggle pop-up here. And then after that, the team messaged me and they were like, we're having a Wiggle Waggle. was like, I called it.